first limitation is cannot focus on studying because of phone disturbing. My transcendence of that limitation is I'll off the data of the phone and turn it into an airplane mode and put it into the right place so I can focus on studying. And my second limitation is I don't know how to dance. My transcendence on that limitation is I've watched dance tutorial and practice it to know how to dance.